Hello, Amar. Very good evening.
I was very much interested in learning digital marketing course for a very long period of time, but I don't get a proper platform. So later for my college, I get to know about XLR and I enrolled in XLR course. It was really good experience. Our course has been taken by Mayur sir, and he was very good teacher. He not only focusing on theory part, he is doing how real digital marketing works, and it was in total very good experience. I get so much of knowledge here. They're not only focusing on study, they're also conducting different exam to test our knowledge, and as we are giving the exam, so to appreciate our work, they give certificates for the toppers, and along with the certificate they give hampers. Thank you, XLR.
Recently, I was searching for digital marketing courses online in Google, and I came across XLR, and I attended a digital marketing course which was for 15 days. My mentor Mayur helped me for attending these classes. So he is a very informative and helpful guy. In the course end, there is a exam which I topped. So I came to the XLR office in Bengaluru. This digital marketing course has helped my career and my skills to develop, and the certificate has helped my company to join. Thank you, XLR.
I came to know about this course from my college. Actually, for learning platform, this is very nice, and I learned from here ChatGPT and AI from online. Because he's teaching for me for AI generative and ChatGPT. We are using this technology in more. And after finishing the courses, I came from for collecting the certificate. I seen the classrooms and faculties. Classroom is very nice. After the completion of exam, they will give gift and certificates. Thank you, XLR, for giving these courses. I learned a lot of from this. I gained the more knowledge from here. And thank you for XL for teaching us.
Hello guys, I'm Vikram Mahajan and I'm studying in Swami Vivekananda Institute of Technology College, and I came across a training program which was mobile app development using Flutter, which was given to us by XLR Solutions. I came across this program through my college faculty who told us about this program, that it is a very good course and you should enroll in this course. So I enrolled in this course, and initially I felt really good about this course because they started everything from a very basic point of view, that even if someone who doesn't know anything about Flutter or anything about mobile app development can also learn the same way the ones who know about it are learning. So no student was left behind and everyone was given equal attention. All the doubts throughout the course were cleared. And if we had any questions also, we were like, the trainer was also ready to stay for a longer time than it was scheduled, even for the sake of doubts. So that shows how important the students are to them. So it was a really good experience with XLR's program, and by the end of the training program, I was able to develop my own application. And through the development also, there was another point. Our sir taught us about how we can connect our own mobile phone to our laptop and write code in our laptop, and you can see the output in your phone. It's just really creative and interesting for me. I felt really good about that. So in the end, I developed my own mobile application. I showed it to my mother, I showed it to my friends. I felt really good about it. So I would really suggest XLR. I would recommend it to all my friends to take courses from here, as they focus on the children, focus on the students, and they focus on what's necessary, that is the students' doubts gets cleared and everything else. So today I came down to the XLR office to collect my certificate. So I got to know about what other courses XLR is offering. It included data analysis, data analyst, social media marketing, and full stack Java, and many more courses which were interesting, and they gave us an insight of how everything happens, and they take you through the course from the starting of the course to the end, and what next, that is placements as well. How you should be going into the interviews and how you should be approaching to companies, your resume building, and there were so many things which XLR is going to help you in, and they are ready to give you all the knowledge required, even if you are a beginner. So I really felt good about this visit, and I would really recommend XLR to everyone who's listening to this, and also to all my friends, that I had a very good experience with XLR, and I would suggest you to experience the same. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Satish and I am from Swami Vivekananda Institute of Technology. I am here to share my experience about XLR program. I took part in the XLR program that was conducted in the last month about the mobile app development using Flutter. What I liked the most about this session was the trainer started from the scratch. That means even the beginner who don't know about the basics of the program, even they can learn the most from this program. It gave me hands-on experience by developing a project which was the final outcome. Thank you XLR for giving me this opportunity, and I would also recommend all my friends to take part in the XLR programs. Thank you.
Yes, so the collaboration with XLR was an excellent one. We conducted a Power BI workshop with Advanced Excel over a span of 3 days. The workshop was almost 12 hours long in total. Mr. Karthik, who was an amazing trainer, helped the students understand the concepts deeply. I am sure that the students will be able to apply these concepts in their careers as well as their daily lives.
The trainer, Mr. Karthik, was an excellent person where he explained in very detailed manner on how to give great insights using very complex data sets.
So it was a machine learning workshop. We learned a lot from the course and it was a great experience attending the workshop.
The trainer was very helpful. He had a hands-on approach with his teaching and it was fabulous.
This was a great experience for me. So I would absolutely love it if XLR and its team would come again to our campus and conduct more events like this.
It was a great course and it started from basics and took me to a great extent.
The experience of the workshop was really nice. The feedback from all the students was positive. They understood the concept. The workshop was also practical based with some questions. The experience with XLR was very smooth. They helped us in conducting the workshop smoothly right from the booking of the vendor and deciding the course till the distribution of certificates. In overall, this workshop was a success during our Technical Fest Atmos, and I thank XLR for being a part of it.
Okay, Amar, very good evening. Can we start now?
Good evening, sir. This side Sushmita. You can start, sir.
Yes, yes. Okay. Just give me 1 minute. I'll start.
Yeah, sure, sir. No problem.
So hello everyone, very good evening. I hope I'm clearly audible to you all guys. Can you please once confirm, am I audible to you all guys? Hello? Okay, great guys. So today we are going to discuss about the linked list, single linked list, doubly linked list and circular linked list, and also actually we are going to talk about the linked list over here. So can anyone tell me what is linked list and what is the use of linked list, guys? What is linked list actually? Okay, it is a data structure. So linked list is a linear data structure in which elements are connected using pointers instead of using stored in a contiguous memory allocation. Very good. Okay, data plus next pointer. Very good. Array with the address of the next element. Very good. Okay, guys. So you can see here we are talking about the singly linked list. Okay. So a singly linked list is a simplest type of linked list where each node contains two parts. First one is the data, it will store the value, and the next store the reference or address of the next node. Okay. So the last node next reference points to null, indicating the end of the list. Okay. So that will be null normally, right? So if you want to visualize that, I'll show you. Wait a minute. Let me open a page. So this is a node, okay, where we'll have a data and address of next node. So we can create a nodes like this, multiple. Right? One node. Fine. And in that we'll have a two parts everywhere. Data and the address of the next node. And at last, the last one will have a null. Okay. So this is going to connect here. This is going to connect here. This is going to connect here. This is going to be a null address. Okay. Right. And this is going to be a data. Okay. And this is the address. So this is a visual representation of the singly linked list. Is that fine, guys? Hello? Okay. Now, guys, we'll move ahead. So a singly linked list is a linear data structure in which every node points to the next node. So allowing traversal in only one direction, that is a forward one. Okay. So for example, normally engine will be there behind that coach 1, coach 2, coach 3, and 8 will be there. So each coach has only the next coach. Okay. Similarly, you can have a value like 10, 20, 30, 40, and 40 after there is no value. So it is going to point out to the null. So each node know where the next node is located, guys, right? Now structure of node, data and the address of the next node. Just I told you. Okay. So memory representation, data, next node, data, next node, data, next node, like that. Okay. So how to create a node in a Java? So we can create a class called as a node, guys. Okay. So in that we will declare the two variables. In that we'll declare the, okay, Shrikant, one more time. Okay. So it is a singly linked list. Okay. We are talking about the singly linked list over here, right? So you can see here, singly linked list is a linear data structure in which every node point to the next node. So allowing traversal in a one direction, that is the forward direction. And we are just trying to diagrammatically represent here. So data will be there, address of the next node, data will be there, address of the next node like that. The last one will have a null address. Okay. And so this is the example like engine coach 1, coach 2, and it is going to end, or maybe similarly like 10, 20, 30, 40, and after that there is a no node, so it will be null. Is that fine, Shrikant? Shrikant only, no? Okay. Now I see here how to create a node in Java. So we have to create a class called as a node. In that will declare a two variable. First one is a for data, so int data, and second one is a address of the next node, so node next. And then we will create a constructor. In that we'll pass the data. So we'll assign the data to the current class variable data, and we'll assign the null value to the address of the next. Is it okay, guys? How to create a node in the Java for everyone? How to create a node in the Java? Okay, great. So store the next value and all. So we are going to create a singly linked list. We'll see that, we'll discuss that, and then we'll go ahead. Okay, so you guys can observe here. So we are creating a class called as a node. Okay, in that we'll pass the data, we'll pass the address of the next node, and then we'll create a constructor. This dot data will assign the data to the current class instance and next to the null. Then public class singly linked list demo. Okay, so in that we'll say public static void main string args. So we'll create a node first is equal to new node. In that we'll pass the value 10. Then node second, in that we'll pass the value 20. Then third will pass the value 30. So connecting node, how will connect node? First dot next is second, and second dot next is a third. Okay, so if display the list, so we'll just create a temporary node temp is equal to first, and while temp is not equal to null, so every time we'll print that temp data, then arrow, and then it will mark to the next one. So like that it is going to print. Is it okay, guys? Have you guys are getting that how to create a singly linked list in Java? Hello? Please reply everyone. Okay, this DSA Java, I don't know why, but I will explain this time because you have asked the valid question. So this dot data is a current class variable. So data, we are passing the data, right? So I want to pass this data, whatever coming from the constructor. Okay, so this is going to the current class, means this present variable data. Okay, so that's why this variable or this keyword is used. Is that fine? You can write down in a one class also, but I have to create that node class now, so I have to use that. I have to use that. Otherwise, every time I need to write down that code again and again. Okay. Sir, is new inbuilt? Yes, new is a inbuilt keyword. So for creating object, we use a new keyword. Is that okay, guys? Have I answered your queries, everyone? Okay, now please practice this and then we'll go ahead. You have 10 minutes, please complete this. Okay, please try this, everyone. Okay, see here, Gagan. So we are creating a node class to create a single node. Okay, so in that, as you know, from the diagram, you'll get an idea. It will have a data and address of the next node. So we'll declare a two variable, int data and node of next pointing. Okay, and then we want to assign the past data to the current class instance variable data. So we are assigning this dot data is equal to data and address, because single individual node is there is a no next address, so null we are assigning. And then in main method we are creating object of this node class, and we are passing the data. So we'll create a first node with a 10 data as a 10, second node with a 20 as a data, third node as a 30 as a data. Okay, and then we once the node is ready, now we need to connect that. So first dot next will connect to the second dot next connect to the third, and display the list. So for that, we'll take a temporary is equal to first. We'll store the first into the temporary and we'll move that temporary till null and we'll print that. Okay. And at last, it will print the null. Is that okay, Gagan? Hello? Okay, very good. Please practice everything. So see DSA Java, you can just check if your temporary, the first is pointing to the next, you can say empty. You can write down that logic the way we have done it. Okay. So you can just check first dot next is equal to null, then empty. See, after third, we have not pointed to anything. Means by default, when you create a node, it will be null only. So no need to point out to the null. Is that okay, Gagan? Okay, guys. So I hope this is done, everyone. Okay, so we have created that. No issues. So if you want to create a multiple functions also, you can do that. Okay, so I'll explain this one as well. So if you want to create a multiple classes and then you have to access that classes and all, so we can do that also. So I hope I'm audible to you all, guys. You guys are listening me, right? So you guys can see here, the first we created a class called as a node. What we have done previously, the same thing. Okay. And after that, guys, we are just will create a object node is equal to head. So insert at the end, if you want to insert at the end, so we'll create a function called as a void insert, and node object is a new node is equal to new node, and then we'll pass the data. If head is equal to null, then we'll directly assign a head is equal to new node, because if there is a nodes are available, then we'll directly assign to the head, or else we will just say node which is a temporary is equal to head. And while temp is not next till that time, means it will go to the end, and then temp is equal to temp dot next, means we are inserting at the end, and we'll say temp dot next is equal to new node. Okay, this is how we will insert at the end, guys. Okay, so and if you want to display, we'll create a function called as a display. So in display, we'll take a node temp is equal to head, and while temp not equal to null. Okay, so again we are going till end. So every time we'll print that data, we'll point out to the next same thing, and then we'll at last we'll print the null. Now here we are creating an object of this above class, singly linked list class. Then we'll call the method insert. We'll insert all those things, and then we'll call the display method to display that. Is that fine, guys, for you all? Hello. So here we are inserting element at the end. Okay. This is how also you can create a singly linked list. Is it okay, guys? Are you getting this? So guys, just try this, and whenever you can just let me know. I will scroll down. Okay. So for 5 minutes, I won't reply through the mic. Is that fine for you all? I'll just scroll down. If you want to scroll down, just let me know. Can we do like that? Hello? Okay, please, guys. Yes, guys, please do this. Complete this. I'll wait for 2 minutes more and then we'll go ahead. Okay. Okay, guys, everyone done with this? Can we move ahead now? Okay, Guys, now we'll talk about the doubly linked list over here. Okay. So singly linked list is same. Now guys, see here the difference between the singly linked list and doubly linked list is that, so in doubly linked list, we'll have two addresses, the previous node reference and the next node reference, and then data. So if you want to create a node over here, doubly linked list, okay. So in that case, it will be like this. So it will have a pointing to the previous one and then pointing to the next one, okay. And then in between, there will be a data. Previous and next. Is that fine for everyone? Hello? Have you understood the doubly linked list, concept of doubly linked list? So unlike singly linked list, doubly linked list allow traversal in both the forward as well as the backward direction, right? Okay, we'll go down. So doubly linked list is a linear data structure where each node contains the data, a reference to the previous node and the reference to the next node. Okay. So I have visualized that and I have shown you also. Okay. So real world example like previous song, current song, next song. So if we have a playlist, so in that we can use this. Okay. So structure I have shown you. Then how to create a doubly linked list node. So here you can add the one more node called as the previous. Okay, so previous also mark to the null and next also mark to the null. Is that okay, guys? How to create a doubly linked list node in a Java? Okay. Now you can see data, store the value, previous point to the previous node, next point to the next node. Okay. Now we'll see the program for this, right? And I will explain that, then we'll see. So first of all, we are going to create a node. Okay, so is this okay for you all creating a doubly linked list node? Hello, guys. Is it okay for you all creating a doubly linked list node? Please reply. Okay. After that, guys, you want to insert at the end. So obviously the same node head will be there. Then we'll create a new node. Okay. And we'll check if head is equal to null. We'll directly assign a head is equal to new node. Okay. And then head will be there will be another temp node in case, then while temp dot next not equal to null, so it will go to the end, and at the end we will add the temp dot next is equal to new node and new node dot previous is equal to temp. So both way we are going to connect, guys. Then display forward. So if you want to display the forward only, so forward traversal, as you know, we'll say node temp is equal to head and temp not equal to null. Till that time it will go next forward and it will print. And display backward. So again we'll say temp head, node temp is equal to head, and then while temp dot next not equal to null. So then again temp dot next it will do. And for backward traversal, now we will simply say here while temp is not equal to null. Okay, so we'll simply print that and we'll go for previous. See here we go for next. Okay, here we are going for previous and then we'll print null. Okay, backward and forward one. And then in main function we'll create object of doubly linked list. We'll insert the element. We'll call the display forward. We'll call the display backward. Is that okay, guys? Is it a sub? Most of the things are similar like our singly linked list. We just add it here, previous and next. Have you understood, guys, this one? Can you try this one? Everyone? Yeah, please try it and just let me know so I can scroll down whenever you complete the part. Okay? Please try, everyone. I hope I'm audible to everyone. I hope everyone is getting the thing, whatever we are discussing right now, doubly linked list. So you have 10 minutes, guys. Please try this and then we'll go ahead. What is the difference between a singly linked list and doubly? So in singly linked list, we can move forward only. In doubly linked list, we can move forward as well as backward. Okay. In singly linked list, we have a pointer to the next node only. Here we'll have a pointer to the next node as a previous node. Is that okay, Suroni? Hello. Have you understood the difference? Okay, please. Yes, guys, please do this. Others one also. Ayush, is that okay? Clear? Okay. I'll wait. Just let me know, then I will scroll down. So your send message done. So can I scroll down or should I keep this? Ayush. Okay, please. Others, please do it. Is it okay, Alicia? Or should I scroll a bit more? Okay, guys. So let's go ahead now. So if you want to insert anything, so create a new node first, 40. Then initially, obviously, previous and next is going to be null. Then move to the last node, the way we did it for singly linked list, and then we add. We have seen that in the code. Okay. So in the beginning, so no need to move the next last. Okay. So create a new node, and then a new node next will be pointing to the head. A new node previous will pointing to the new node only. Okay. So like that, we can perform all the operations and all. Okay. So guys, this is a singly linked list versus doubly linked list. Someone has asked me also. Okay. So this is the difference. If you want, you can make a note of this, guys. Okay. And then we will go ahead. So I'll keep this slide for the 2 minutes. You guys can go through that and then we'll go ahead. Is that okay, guys? Can we keep that for 2 minutes and then we'll go ahead? Hello? Okay, please wait. Guys, all of you know that after 8:30 only they will share the link. Okay. So don't worry about that. After 8:30, without asking, they will start sharing the attendance link. So please wait. Okay, guys, so I hope this is okay for you all. Now, guys, we'll go ahead and we'll discuss about the circular linked list. Okay. So in a circular linked list, guys, if you observe, is a special type of linked list in which last node pointing back to the first node, that is the head. So instead of pointing to the null. So this create a circular loop allowing continuous traversal of the list. Okay. So circular linked list is a linked list where last node next reference pointing to the first node head and forming the circular structure. Okay. So like this. So real world example, round table discussion. So person A, person B, person C, again person C is going to discuss with the person A. Or traffic signal is also example, red, yellow, green, again red. Okay. Is that okay, guys? What is circular linked list? An example of that to everyone. Is it fine, guys? Okay. So memory presentation. Okay. Now the Java node class is like a single linked list only. So that's not an issue. While we are going to write a code completely, that time you'll get a difference. Okay. So we'll discuss the complete code over here. Okay, so you can see here class node, int data, then next node next, and then we are assigning. So here we are not assigning the next null. Okay. And then we will create it. We'll insert at the end. So we'll create a new node. So first node. So if head is equal to null, then we'll assign the new node to head only. And new node dot next again to head only. So this is the difference, guys. Okay. Right. And then we'll node temp will be head. And while temp dot next is not equal to head. See, previously it was not equal to null. And it will go till there. Temp is equal to temp dot next. And then temp dot next will assign to the new node. And new node dot next will assign to the head. So these are the things we are adding here. And for displaying again, if head not equal to null, it will return, or else it will go till temp dot next. Okay, and while temp is not equal to head. So wherever null was there, we replace with a head. Okay, and then we'll create a object of circular linked list. We'll add the insert the elements. We'll display the elements. Is it okay, guys? Are you getting this, everyone? So now we are pointing till head, not till null. Hello, guys. Is that okay? Can you please reply? Circular linked list example. Okay, please try this, guys. If you have any question query also, you can feel free to ask. Please try this. Yes, guys, please do it. I will scroll up. Guys, everyone, please do it. Yes, guys, everyone, have you done with this? Okay, very good. Okay, Jatin, very good. Very good, very good. We'll wait for 2 minutes and then we'll discuss. Okay. Please, for others. Why do while? While is a loop which we are using here for iterating the things. You can use while also. I have just used a different thing, do while. Okay. Okay, guys. Have we discussed all these points today, guys? Linked list, single linked list, doubly linked list, circular linked list. Yes, everyone, please reply. Hello, guys. Have we discussed all these points for today? Everyone, please reply. Okay. Now you guys can practice that. If you have any question query, you can feel free to ask. So we have a 10 and more minutes. Okay. So if you have any question query, you can feel free to ask and please practice that. Okay. It is a request to everyone. Please practice that linked list. Prathamesh, if you don't have any query, you can feel free to leave. That's not an issue. So I'm just waiting. After a few minutes also, we'll also wind up the session. So guys, if you have any question query, you can feel free to ask. Okay, guys, those who are not having a query, no issues. Okay, we'll wait for a few more minutes and then we'll take a call. Okay, so I hope you guys have understood the link list over here. Yes, guys, if no more doubts, can we wind up a session? Hello?
Yes, sir, we can wind up.
Okay, thank you, Sushmita.
Thank you, sir. Thank you all. Good night.